Hey guys, so when it's cold and nasty outside, what are you into? I'll show you what I'm into. Okay, I want to redo my Hawk 5 and get back into flying this guy also. Miss Flying It was one of my favorites. It's time to get it back and make it look good. So, let's do it. Tools needed. We're going to need the screw kit, 2.5 driver, 2.0 driver, and the 1.5 cutters, conformal coating, might as well do that while we're there. Snake skin, really beautiful. Tweezers, zip ties, and of course your soldering station and solder. So let's go ahead and get this all cleaned up and get the bird on the table.